Hi, my name's Dean Rumpel. I'm CEO of Pleasure-Way Industries. Today, I'm going to take you through our brand new 2025 Ford Ontour 2.2 and 2.0 models, all built on the Ford Transit van and feature all-wheel drive. First, I'm going to cover off everything that they have in common, and then I'll take you through each individual model and show you some features and benefits. At Pleasure-Way, all of our coaches feature a 5-year warranty. That's a Pleasure-Way warranty. And what that includes is everything in the construction of processing and building this great vehicle. That means everything from the electrical systems, our plumbing lines, all of our cabinetry, how it's built, how it's installed, all of those features are backed for 5 years. A lot of people ask, well, what's not covered in your warranty? And that's simple things that already have a warranty provided by another company, like the fridge. The fridge has their own warranty. We don't warranty the fridge. We warranty everything that we do, and we are so confident in it. We back it for 5 years, where the general RV industry only has a 1-year coach warranty. Each model features a 600 amp hour bank of lithium batteries. It's paired with a Xantrax 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. And yes, you can run the roof air conditioners off of your batteries. You can average around 5 hours, maybe a little bit more depending on ambient conditions and what other 12 volt supply you are using inside the coach. Also, what's more important is how do you charge these batteries? So we offer you solar options on the roof. You can also charge them from the engine alternator. Also, with the Onan 2.8 new inverter quiet generator, it too will charge the batteries, or it can just supplement the system and run the air conditioner and anything else you need it to run. Plus, you have shore power. So by plugging in, we have a 100 amp hour lithium battery charger that'll quickly recharge those batteries. So with 600 amps of lithium, multiple ways to charge, and an Onan 2.8 generator, this is really one of the best hybrid electrical systems you could have in any Class B coach. Now let's talk about quality cabinet construction. So each Pleasure-Way on average takes approximately 400 hours to build from start to finish. And a lot of that time and labor goes into our beautiful handcrafted cabinetry. So as we go along in our construction processes, we use nothing but plywood. So these are all plywood wall partitions inside. It is a plywood lower shelf. It is all covered in laminate, both sides, inside and out. And you can see it's even coated laminate inside the cabinets. We screw everything together. So as you can see, we use angle brackets in some spots. They are anchored into the wood blocking into the ceiling, and this is not going to rattle and squeak. So if you're shopping for a new Class B motorhome, please look in all the cabinets, pull out the drawers, see and pay attention to how they're built. If you don't see screws, it's probably because they're all just stapled together. Another great feature found in both units is our 10-inch touchscreens. So since we use multiplex wiring, we have condensed everything down into two 10-inch touchscreens instead of having switches scattered all throughout the coach. Now, from these touchscreens, you can control all of your lighting, you can turn on your water pump, you can turn on your furnace and your air conditioning. It has all of the common features you need in one central spot. It also has some other great features, such as auto gen start, so you can set your generator to start to recharge your batteries, as an example, if your batteries get depleted to a certain voltage. It also has auto climate, so you can set it to have your air conditioner turn on at a specific temperature. There are a lot of great features on these two 10-inch paddles. It'll even tell you how much runtime and life you have left in your batteries before you have to charge it, and how long it'll take to recharge your batteries. We use beautiful Italian-made Fiamma awnings We feel they're the best in the industry. They're armless, they're fully automatic, so they will come out at a push of a button. They also feature a wind sensor, so if you're out hiking and the wind comes up, it'll automatically close your awning. We use a one-piece extruded aluminum bracket instead of 2 or 3 individual brackets. This is a far stronger way to mount an awning to a van. Also, we have these great screens on the side door and the back doors. They roll up out of the way when you're not using them, and they allow air in while keeping bugs out. And they've got this great magnetic closing system, so you can move in and out and not have to open a handle. You can just push it out with your elbows, and they close every time. Both Ontours have this great rear screen. It rolls up and stores out of the way when you're not using it, but when you're backed up to the beach and you've got both doors wide open and you want to have a view and get some fresh air, but keep the bugs out, then you can simply roll it down, air goes in, bugs stay out. It's a fantastic standard feature. Now I'm going to take you through each model. We'll start first with the Ontour 2.2. This is built on the Ford Transit chassis. It's just under 22 feet long, and it's an all-wheel drive. The Ontour 2.2 is perfect if perhaps you're just a little bit taller. I'm 6'1" with shoes on, and I have lots of headroom. The standing height in here is 6 feet 6 inches. And it features the longest bed out of any of our van models at 79 inches long by 68 inches wide, so you can really stretch out. So at the back here, we have our power sofa with 2 3-point seat belts for those times you want to take extra passengers. When you lay it down, it makes up into 2 single beds, or you can fill the center in for 1 large queen size bed. Note, it's all covered in ultra leather, which is really pet friendly. It doesn't show scratches, and fur won't mat in. Plus, it also has our memory foam system. So underneath the ultra leather, there's layers of memory foam that are going to give you a really good night's sleep. Also, when you're sitting down in the back lounge area, it feels so open and spacious. It's because of all of our windows that we have. Now, these windows also open, so they have an awning style opening. So if it's raining outside, you can keep the windows open and still get the fresh air in and enjoy this panoramic view. When you're ready to go to sleep, we have pull down shades to give you complete privacy. We have a 24-inch LG Smart TV and a Bose soundbar. A nice feature with the Bose soundbar is you can pair it to your phone and you can stream music directly to it. We also have another Lagoon mount at the back, so you can set up your dining table here when you're eating, or if you just have some friends over and you want to play a game of cards. When it comes to selecting appliances for our high quality coach, we really like Truma products because they're extremely well built and dependable. New for us is the Truma Aventa air conditioner. Now this will run off of our coach batteries. It is extremely quiet. It's 13,500 BTUs worth of output, and it has multiple fan settings, including a sleep mode. So it's very, very quiet and efficient. We also use the Truma AquaGo Plus instant on-demand water heater. So what we do specifically with this system is we run a recirculating water line. The hot water line, it's always being recirculated, so when you turn on a tap or the shower, you're instantly getting hot water. There's no delay. You don't have to wait for anything. Also, the third piece is the Truma Vario Heat. It's a propane furnace, and what makes this furnace great is how quiet it is and how efficient. And when you pair that with our 3M Thinsulate insulation, the coach warms up nicely very quickly. You don't have to wait for glycol or other heating systems to warm up and get your coach warm. Also, what's great about this style of a furnace is if it's cooler outside and you've gone out and you've left the door open, when you come back and close it, the recovery is much faster because it ramps itself up and it heats quicker. New for 2025 is our acoustic and laminate wall paneling. This gives this coach a fresh new look and a quality of sound deadening, which makes it nice and quiet inside. Also, we have Corian countertops, induction stoves, a large stainless steel sink with a Corian countertop, so you can use it as a cutting board if you like, or more surface area. Also, we have gone to Moen residential faucets. So this is a residential faucet with a retractable sprayer. It comes with a lifetime warranty, and we also match all the faucets and showers in the bathroom as well. That was a major upgrade. Below the beautiful Corian countertops in the kitchen cabinet, we have a ton of storage. We have 3 pull-out drawers, and as you can see, they come with soft close and positive latching. You have a 110 plug, which is also on the inverter as well. And we also have more storage under the sink, so you can take everything you need with you. The 2.2 also features a convection microwave oven, a Nova Cool 12-volt refrigerator, and one of the best features is this massive bathroom. Now, it is a wet bath, but it is absolutely huge. It's 52 inches long and 26 inches wide. It features a vanity with plenty of storage, stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet, of course, the Moen faucets. We have a 110 plug as well. This is all matching laminate, and it is all watertight, so you don't have to worry about any water when you're taking a shower. It has a Thetford flush toilet, which is fantastic, a china bowl, so it's just like home. And the biggest benefit of this bathroom and the Ontour 2.2 is I can stand up and take a shower. And you notice we have a radius door, which when closed will give me a little more elbow room. I got lots of standing height, and that's a huge plus in this Class B motorhome. As I move past the bathroom, I'm going to sit down in the front seat. And one of the great new features for 2025 is our front Lagoon table mount. Now I can raise this table up and it'll give me more counter space. I can swing it around so I have my own dedicated workstation, and it doesn't block the aisle, so people can still move freely inside. And if I want to plug in my laptop, I have a 110 plug as well as a USB and C port on the pillar right behind the driver's seat. So this gives me great versatility and a great front workstation. So that wraps it up for the Ontour 2.2. Remember, this coach comes in at just under 22 feet long. It features one of the longest beds, the most standing height at 6 feet 6 inches, and one of the biggest bathrooms in a Class B, and a large kitchen. These are all critical things in this Ontour 2.2 floor plan. Next up, the Ontour 2.0. Now, this coach is built on the Ford Transit chassis. It is just under 20 feet long and features the all-wheel drive system. This is just about the same length as most pickup trucks. If you're looking for a coach that's extremely versatile, maybe you want to use it as a second vehicle and you can go anywhere, this might be the perfect coach for you. Building a Class B motorhome, it's really a game of inches. And with the 2.0 being 2 feet shorter than the 2.2, we still pack a lot of great features inside this coach. We have a good kitchen with the Moen faucets. It's the same large sink and induction stove. We put the microwave down below, but we still have storage underneath the Corian countertops. It also features a great bathroom. Now, it may not be quite as long, but it still gives you the same Thetford china bowl toilet, Moen shower, and it also has the same laminate waterproof interior and the width. It gives you a lot of room for a smaller coach. This coach features a 12-volt Norcold fridge. It's conveniently located up off the floor, so it's really easy to get stuff in and out. We have a couple of drawers here that give you some additional storage, as well as a half closet, so you have a spot for some hanging clothes as well. and all of the cabinetry in here, again, is built by hand, made out of plywood, and this is laminate. It's not a vinyl, it's not a paper, it's not going to peel or shrink if it gets wet. It's going to last a long, long time, and that's a key factor in a quality coach. The 2.0 also has the same great Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus recirculating hot water on demand system. It also has the Vario heat for heating the coach, the Moen faucets. It has a lot of the same great features as the 2.2, but one distinction is we run a Dometic air conditioner. Now this Dometic still runs off of the lithium battery bank and the inverter. It's just not the Truma brand because we just didn't have enough physical roof space to mount the Truma. But the Dometic, again, is a tried and true quality product. The 2.0, even though it is a couple of feet shorter, it still gives me 6 feet 6 inches of standing height. And the overall bed is 68 by 77 inches long. So it's still one of the longest beds we offer out of any of our models. Now we have the power reclining sofa, the 2 3-point seat belts, covered in ultra leather, and memory foam underneath. So you're gonna get a great sleep. Again, you can lay the sofa down and you can have 2 single beds, or you can fill the space in the middle and sleep it as one large queen bed. We have a 24-inch LG Smart TV, the Bose soundbar, our other 10-inch touchscreen, so you can control everything from the back really, really conveniently. Also, we have 2 awning style windows. They will open up to get you fresh air, and MCD shades. So when you want privacy, you can just simply pull them down. And we have another Lagoon table mount, so you can set it up as your main primary dining area. Even though the 2.0 is just under 20 feet in length, we still have a lot of upper cabinet storage, as you can see here. It's the same great construction. Everything is screwed together. It's all laminate over plywood, and this is what a quality cabinet looks like. As I move back up to the front, as you can see, we can swivel the passenger seat around. Again, this is covered in ultra leather. That's super comfortable. And when I sit down here, I can still have a conversation with the people in the back. It just kind of expands your living space. We also have the other Lagoon table mount that's new for $25, so I can have a separate workstation right here as well. That concludes the Ontour 2.0 at just under 20 feet, plus an all-wheel drive. If you're looking for a versatile, smaller coach you can take anywhere, park anywhere, but still give you lots of standing room and a great big bed, maybe this is the coach for you. There's your look at the Ontour 2.2 and 2.0 for 2025. Again, they're all built on the Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis, and they feature the 3.5 EcoBoost gasoline engine. With the purchase of any new Pleasure-Way coach, you gain access to your own personal assistant for the first 90 days of ownership. If you have any question on how your coach operates, you'll be provided a phone number where you can call, text, or email any questions you might have, and we're going to be there to support you. And don't forget, every coach is backed by our 5-year coach warranty, the leading warranty in the entire RV industry.